Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Wellnessity, and I make videos about health and wellness. Today, we'll explore 10 amazing fruits that can help reduce inflammation naturally. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Alright, let's get started. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, infection, or harmful stimuli. It is a protective mechanism that involves the immune system to repair damaged tissues and defend against pathogens. Here are the key aspects of inflammation. Types of inflammation: acute inflammation, duration, short-term, lasting from a few hours to a few days. Symptoms: redness, heat, swelling, pain, and loss of function in the affected area. Causes: injuries, cuts, scrapes, infections, bacterial, viral, and allergic reactions. Chronic inflammation. Duration: long-term, lasting for months or years. Symptoms: subtle and may not be immediately noticeable. Chronic inflammation can lead to tissue damage over time. Causes: persistent infections. Autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, prolonged exposure to irritants such as industrial chemicals or polluted air. Signs of inflammation: redness, due to increased blood flow to the affected area. Heat, also from increased blood flow and metabolic activity. Swelling, caused by the accumulation of fluid and immune cells. Pain, resulting from the release of chemicals like prostaglandins and bradykinin that stimulate nerve endings. Loss of function, due to pain and swelling which can limit movement or function in the affected area. The process of inflammation. Initiation. When tissues are injured or infected, they release signaling molecules called cytokines. Vasodilation. Blood vessels expand to allow more blood flow to the area, bringing white blood cells. Immune cells, to the site of injury or infection. Increased permeability. Blood vessel walls become more permeable, allowing immune cells, fluid, and proteins to pass through into the affected tissue. Leukocyte migration. White blood cells move to the site of inflammation to engulf and destroy pathogens, dead cells, and debris. Resolution. Once the threat is eliminated, anti-inflammatory signals are released to reduce the response and begin the healing process. Importance of inflammation: protective role, helps to isolate and remove harmful stimuli and begin tissue repair. Healing process, essential for the body to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. Negative aspects of chronic inflammation: tissue damage, can lead to tissue destruction and scarring. Disease development associated with various chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Managing inflammation: diet, consuming anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, and fatty fish, and avoiding pro-inflammatory foods such as processed foods and sugary drinks. Exercise, regular physical activity can help reduce inflammation. Stress management, techniques like meditation, yoga, and adequate sleep can lower stress-related inflammation. Medications, non-steroids, anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and contortionists can be prescribed to manage inflammation in certain conditions. Understanding inflammation and its role in the body can help in managing it effectively and maintaining overall health. Reducing inflammation through diet can be an effective and natural approach. Here are 10 healing fruits known for their anti-inflammatory properties. 1. Berries: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. 2. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. 3. Cherries, high in antioxidants and compounds like anthocyanins and catechins that combat inflammation. 4. Oranges, loaded with vitamin C, which helps to reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. 5. Papaya contains papain and chymopapain, enzymes that help reduce inflammation. 6. Grapes, rich in resveratrol, an antioxidant that can lower inflammation. 7. Avocado, packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. 8. Tomatoes, high in lycopene, which is known to reduce inflammation, especially in the lungs and throughout the body. 9. Apples contain quercetin, a flavonoid that has anti-inflammatory and antihistamine effects. Pomegranates, full of polyphenols and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Tips for including these fruits in your diet: smoothies. Blend a mix of berries, pineapple, and avocado for a nutrient-packed drink. Salads, add slices of oranges, tomatoes, and apples to your salads. Snacks, enjoy grapes, cherries, and pomegranate seeds as healthy anti-inflammatory snacks. Desserts, use papaya and berries in fruit salads or as a topping for yogurt. Lifestyle tips: balanced diet. Combine these fruits with a balanced diet rich in vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Regular exercise. Physical activity helps reduce inflammation. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help your body process nutrients and reduce inflammation. Avoid inflammatory foods. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you can help manage inflammation naturally and promote overall health. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Alright,